gumawa ko siya ng blue mask stand. Grabe. Alam niyo ba, ano lang, fun fact, yung
piling ko kakadinig.
was from A2 Berries. Parang ano kami, regardless nila sa akin yung birthday ko, Berries, thank you so much.
Birthday, bakit hindi nagsisend?
Grabe, sumakses na talaga.
Ma, hindi ba ako nakakonect sa'yo, ma?
Kasi supported talaga. Supported talaga ako mga people na.
Ayun na, okay na ulit, okay na.
Thank you, Kevin. I love you, man, so much.
I love you too.
And of course, I want to acknowledge
Hindi pala ako.
Makati and Ayan Emos. Thank you so much for making this event possible. Hindi kami mga tao sa likod na nag-enjoy. And I think everyone's having a last minute, right? You guys still having fun?
Isa pa, Ben!
So, bago ka tumulo sa aking next performance, gusto ko, okay naman mag-promote po sa